Verbs which are followed by gerund. Discuss. Discuss. She wants to discuss improving the school's facilities. She wants to discuss improving the school's facilities. Forbid. Forbid. They forbid parking in this area. They forbid parking in this area. Feel like. Feel like. He feels like studying abroad for a semester. He feels like studying abroad for a semester. Mention. Mention. He didn't mention having any previous experience in the field. He didn't mention having any previous experience in the field. Need. Need. The house needs repairing. The house needs repairing.